Hey guys, finally we are in my friend's parents' shop, house I grew up at basically. We've finally got a day to work on the truck. Good thing is we've got lights. It's 8 o'clock at night right now, so who knows how long this is going to take, but we're going to see how this goes. And we may have to try it another day. But today, finally, we're putting on diamond eye exhaust. Alright guys, yeah, it's like 3 o'clock in the morning. Finally got the exhaust put on and everything done, so we can go home. So one of the biggest things was, the reason why I put an exhaust on, the elbow going over the rear end had cracked, and whenever it cracked it just spider webbed all kinds of ways, and my tip actually broke all the way off, and I had to just pull it all the way off, so pull it out of the hanger. But so that's the main reason for the new exhaust. But you're putting a new exhaust on, might as well go upsize to a 5-inch. I mean, for real. So we're about to do a first startup on it. I haven't even heard it yet, so you're gonna get to hear it with me. So pretty pumped, pretty excited. It's 3 a.m. I'm tired. So I'm really excited, but you can't tell. So, yeah, here you go, guys.
All right.
You ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. She's just as cold as we are.
Huh.
Zero goal! Zero goal!
Alright guys, that's a wrap on this video. It's been a couple of days since I've videoed. Just super tired Saturday after getting everything done, or Sunday. It's 4 o'clock Sunday morning before I got in bed. Still had church and family gatherings to go to. A big shout out to Jacob, my little brother. He's helped me out with the videoing and getting tools and exhaust and whatnot, just helping me hold it up, get everything in place. Also, a big shout out to the guys over at Burton Outdoors. Done a collaboration video with them over at my land the morning I was doing the exhaust. They're gonna hunt the land and scout it out, see what they can find. I think they're gonna do turkey hunting coming up, and then get ready for deer season next year. Also have a trip to Louisville coming up this weekend, and I'll do some videos while I'm up there and just some different things. We'll see how that goes. See if just kind of show y'all what's going on up there. Going to the National Farm Machinery Show. So don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, we got Wallace Motorsports. It's mainly our pull truck and our motorsports oriented. Also, we have the Wallace Motorsports Facebook page. Go like that. Also, guys, the links to the Facebook page, the other channel, and Burton Outdoors, all of that will be in the description, as well as a link to the exhaust that I put on. Meant to throw that in there. I'll edit this in there somewhere. So anyway, and comment down below what you think we ought to do, and just keep God first, and God bless. See you guys.